This is the most redundant feature in this car. You see that gesture control thing? Is so pointless because that thing is the most unreliable feature ever. You know, don't even bother. You know, it's quicker for you to just turn the knob or do whatever you need to do on the iDrive than doing this and doing this and doing this. You look silly, number one. Number two, it never works. And when it does, it's random. Anyway, let me know your experience about it in the comments. But I think it's pointless, man.